Do you ever feel like no matter what you do, confidence just seems out of reach? What if I told you that high-value men, the ones who exude unshakable self-belief, aren't born that way? They're made. And today, you're going to learn exactly how to build that unstoppable confidence for yourself. Let's face it, most of us are stuck in a cycle of self-doubt. Maybe it's the fear of failure holding you back, or the constant comparison to others. Society teaches us to look outward for validation, likes, compliments, approval. But here's the truth. True confidence doesn't come from others. It comes from within. High-value men understand this. Let's get started. The first secret is understanding that confidence is a byproduct of identity. High-value men don't try to act confident. They become confident by aligning their actions with their values. Ask yourself, what kind of man do I want to be? Start showing up as that man today. Dress better, speak with intention, and work on small wins that reinforce your identity. Confidence grows when your actions reflect the person you aspire to be. The second secret is most people fear failure because they see it as the end. High-value men view failure as a stepping stone. The more you fail, the more you learn, and the faster you grow. Confidence isn't built by avoiding mistakes. It's built by facing them head-on. Think of failure as feedback, not defeat. Remember this, each failure is a brick in the foundation of your unstoppable confidence. The third secret is confidence thrives when you respect yourself, and self-respect starts with boundaries. High-value men know when to say no. They don't overextend themselves trying to please everyone. Start small. Say no to things that drain your energy or don't align with your goals. The moment you prioritize yourself, others will begin to respect you, and your confidence will skyrocket. Did you know that 70% of communication is nonverbal? High-value men use their body language to command respect and attention. Stand tall, shoulders back, and make eye contact. Your posture doesn't just affect how others see you. It rewires your brain. Adopting confident body language sends signals to your brain that you're in control. Start practicing this today, and watch how people respond differently to you. Finally, the glue that holds all these secrets together, discipline. Confidence is built through consistency. High-value men don't rely on motivation. They rely on habits. Whether it's working out, journaling, or learning a new skill, daily discipline reinforces your self-belief. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, you're telling your brain, I'm someone who follows through. This is how unstoppable confidence is forged. Now that you know the secrets of high-value men, I want to share something with you. I will create a long-form video and detailed explanation on each secret, so stay tuned now. It's time to take action. Which of these steps will you start today? Let me know in the comments. And remember, confidence built overnight. It's a journey, but with every step you take, you're getting closer to becoming the unstoppable version of yourself. Subscribe for more life-changing tips and join the community of men leveling up every day.